Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing? It's your mathematical teacher Murad Sultan Zvidi, my learners. As I promised you that today inshallah or tomorrow I will make a revision for you. Okay, so as abbreviation I will just start with topics. The topic will be quadratic equation and algebraic and geometric method to solve this kind of quadratic equations, and also let's say to find the tangent to the curve. Okay, means the value of k for which, let's say, y equal kx plus 3, that is tangent to the curve of equation y equal x squared plus 4. Okay, and then we move to the functions, the inverse of the function, domain, range, and the composite function, and one types of function: one to one, one to many, many to many, many to one. Okay, now we start. So we have multiple choice in question number 1. The value of the discriminant be, let's say, squared minus 4ac of the equation x squared minus 4x plus 4. Is it 0 or 4 or 9 or 16? Here, my learners, you will just, let's say, calculate the value by equating a coefficient first. So you can see that a here is what? A is, let's say, a is 1. We can write here a is 1 equal to 1. Then comma, we have b equal negative 4, b equal negative 4, and c is equal to 4. Now just find the value of this discriminant. B squared, it will be, my learners, let's say between parentheses it will be negative 4, then close parentheses, then erase this one, negative 4 squared. Okay, I will make here negative 4 squared, negative 4 squared. Okay, then minus 4 multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1, multiply by 4. Okay, I'll just calculate this one. This one, my learners, should be equal to negative 4 squared is 16, minus 4 by 1 by 4 is 16. So the last answer is 0. You can see that the value of this discriminant is equal to 0. So the correct answer is this one, is, let's say, 0. Okay, if in your exam will be x squared minus 3x plus 2, just substitute b with its value and a and c with their values. Okay, for question number 2, we have find the range of this function of x that x maps to x plus 1. Okay, that x maps to x minus 1. So okay, plus 1 or minus 1. The domain is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We are going to work out the range. If x here, my learners, if x is equal to 3, so y should be equal, to what? Equal to 2 times 3, 2 times 3 minus 1. Clear? It will be 6 minus 1 gives 5. Okay, 6 minus 1 is equal 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so I'll just write here 5. Clear? Then when x equal, for example here, when x equal, let's say, I will do it here, when x, or if x is equal to 4, so the y value should be equal to what? The y value should be equal to 2 times 4 minus 1, which is equal minus 1. Mr. Murad, don't forget, which is equal to 7. So I will just write here 7. Clear? Then when x equal, now let's say x, if x, of course, if x equal, let's say 4, we did it 5, so y should be equal to, you will replace x with 5 and just calculate the value of y should be equal to times 5 minus 1, which is equal to 9. So then, and you should continue like that till you finish the fifth value of x. Okay, and you will try to find the last answer is that. So here you are telling which one is the correct answer. Okay, in your opinion, is it 3, 4, 5, 6, the set of the range, or -3, -4, or only the single 3, or 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13? This is, my learners, the correct answer. This is about the multiple choice question. Now we move to extended question. Question number 3. We have 5 marks. Use the substitution method to solve these simultaneous equations. We have y equal x squared minus 3x plus 2 and y equal x minus 1. Here I will label this as what? I will label this as equation number 1. This is equation 1. Okay, and this one is equation number 2. Equation 2. Clear? Then, in order to use the method of completing this, the method of substitution or elimination method, you are free whatsoever you are going to do. You will just replace this y by what? This y by x minus 1. Okay, by x minus 1. You will write here, replace in equation 1 y equal x minus 1. Okay, replace, we told in equation 1 y equal x minus 1. So here we'll get x minus 1. I will make x minus 1 should be equal to the square root of the x squared, like that, x squared. So both equations in terms of x are equal. It's prefer, let's say, to start your equation by the highest power. So you should subtract here minus x plus 1, change it or transfer or shift it to the right hand side. So we will get what exactly? We will get x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1. Clear? Now you can see here x squared, I will write it as it is, no change, equal, I will write x squared, then minus 3x, okay, this is called like terms, and minus x is like terms. I will try to add them. It will be negative 4x, then 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, equal what here? Should be equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. Now we are invited to solve this quadratic equation by factorization. If we want to do like that, so this one should be equal x squared minus 3x, which is equal to 0. You can use also the method of computing the square or quadratic formula. This one equal x minus a missing number multiply by x minus a missing number. Okay, this is the missing number. I will make space here, then here I will make space. Clear? Then here, my learners, we will tell that x, I will try to find two values. Okay, x of 1, x1, I will just choose the, okay, I don't like this, yes, this one. I will make x1, okay, plus x2 should be equal to x2 should be equal to what? You should reverse this sign, my learners. You should reverse, this is negative 4, make positive 4. Clear? So this is negative 4, I will reverse it, it will be why I will reverse this